Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So hope you are enjoying the series of videos related to APQP and Ppap in continuation with the series of videos related to advanced product quality planning and production part approval process, especially for the aerospace industries. We have discussed earlier that APQP is a 5-phase process. We will be discussing today about the phase 1, which is very critical, which starts from the kickoff to till the PDR in case of product development process. So as we discussed in the earlier videos, during the planning phase, what are all the activities that need to be accomplished, and what are all the deliverables, and what is the gate exit deliverable of the phase 1 that we will look into the details. So phase 1, we know that it is a planning phase to collect the project inputs and set the project framework. The basically product and process requirement, key actors, key tasks, and timing and plan. So let's look at the activities. So first one is to collect the technical and non-technical requirement applicable to the product and associated projects. So basically you will be collecting the technical requirements, what are all the technical requirement of the product that need to be met, and then the non-technical requirements applicable to the product and associated projects. Basically your SEDs and PTS in case of aerospace industry, and then you will develop the statement of work for the project, where you will define the boundaries and scope of the project. So that will be your SOW in concurrence with the customer. So the SOW should have a concurrence of all the stakeholders. Okay, that is very important. And then you will define the product and associated project targets. What are the technical requirements that you collected in the first one? Based on that, you will define the product and associated project targets. And next step will be develop the product breakdown structure, that is high level bill of material to support the source selection. And then next step would be to coordinate and communicate timing with all applicable stakeholders, schedule all key dates and deliverable in the project plan. So you will establish the project plan and establish the key milestone and then the milestone deliverables for each phase, and then all the stakeholders are kept involved from the first phase itself, so that your sourcing is involved, your manufacturing is involved, everyone is involved at the first planning phase itself, so that the cross-functional team is involved and all the risks are taken care in the beginning of the product development itself. We don't allow the risks to flow down till the product developed and released into the market, which will cost you heavily. That's why the APQP and the Ppap implementation in automotive give very good results, and there is so much of research papers and many statistical information that shows that investing upfront saves you the later, and then it also brings the brand value and then the assurance, safety, security, more reliable products into the market. So let's look at the deliverables from the phase 1. Product design requirements. So your product design requirements are finalized and frozen based on the customer requirement and customer review with the key technical information and non-technical requirement. And then the second one would be project targets and safety, quality, manufacturability, service life, reliability, durability, maintainability, schedule, and cost. So the project targets such as safety, quality, manufacturability, service life, reliability, durability, maintainability, schedule, and cost, all these are established. So next deliverable will be preliminary listing of critical items and key characteristics of the product. Okay, then the next deliverable would be preliminary BOM and preliminary process flow diagram, which will help you to set up the production process and trials later on. And statement of work is reviewed and finalized. Preliminary sourcing plan, because you have the preliminary BOM it allows you to arrive at the preliminary sourcing plan, and the project plan is in place for the further coming deliverables. So what is a phase output key milestone? The product concept is finalized and pre-design is available. So from the product development point of view, it covers from the kickoff to the preliminary design review. Hello friends, hope you enjoyed the today's session. I would like to request you all to subscribe, share, like, and then if you have any comments, please leave your comments. So keep watching my channel, enjoy the new learnings, and wish you all the best for your career. So, till then, take care, stay tuned, see you with the next video. Bye bye.